how to add a game to a group in Roblox. So the first thing that we'll need to do is click on create here and then view as. Make sure you're viewing this as the group that you want to add the game to. So this is my group. Now once we have selected view as and the group, we will go into creations, and here we will find the Roblox game that we want to add to the group. Click on the three dots, or actually left click on the game itself. Go into settings, group game Roblox. Here we want to change it to public. And now save changes. After we have done this, after we have changed our group to public, we'll go back into Roblox, click on the menu, go into groups, find your Roblox group here, and then you will see that the experience is showing. If it's not showing, click on the three dots, configure group, go into settings and toggle this on. Group experiences are visible on the home page. So toggle this on, and now your game should be showing in your Roblox group, as you can see experiences. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.